God bless everyone. Welcome to Presence of Eden. My name is Emmanuel Rosario. I'm a wellness coach and a health advisor. I'm here today. I'm gonna teach you how to make a gel for the hair. It's gonna be to make your hair growth, to make your improvement in the scalp circulation, and also to make your hair curly. So if you are a person that you don't want to have your hair curly when you go out, or you want something to hold your hair or to strengthen your hair, this is it right here. You're gonna need flaxseed. Make sure it's not the white one, the light one. If you can't find the darker one, it's all right. But make sure you find this one right here. Make sure you find tea tree oil. You could get it in vitamin shop. Tea tree oil, cayenne pepper, really important for the circulation of the scalp. You need cayenne pepper and peppermint. All these three right here will help preserve this, so it'll make it last about 2 to 3 weeks. And you're gonna need a bottle. Let me show you 1 second. Like you could buy them online, Amazon or something. Empty bottle. This is what 16 ounce. You're gonna need a 16 ounce empty bottle, and you're gonna do the following. You're gonna follow me right here. So yeah, after it's already started boiling, that you see that it's already starting to boil, you're gonna move it around. You know, like squish the benefits things out of it. It still needs to boil a little more. You want to make sure that everything comes out. All right, once you see that it's already on point, that the water is already kind of greenish, and almost everything came out, even though a lot more still could come out. In reality, you could boil this for like half an hour if you really want all the benefits out. You're gonna add, I'm gonna use this one, the flaxseed. You know, the linen clothes is made from flaxseed, from the flaxseed plant. So you're gonna add it because this is a fiber. This is really good also for digestive. So what I'm doing right here, you could do the same exact thing, but without the peppermint and all that, and without the fresh rosemary. And you use that as a gel to lubricate yourself. So every time you do a juice, you grab a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of it, you add it to your juice and you drink it, and it will be as a fiber for your body, which is really important. So you see, I still need more. You gotta add the measurement. I really don't know what's the exact measurement. Like to tell you, I should have measured it, but I'm gonna show you in the camera, and so you could get you see, and when you have to wait for the water to start getting thicker, which I'm gonna show you in a minute, but that should be enough amount. That should be enough right there. So once you see the water getting thicker, which I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. So this is how you know that it's done. Look at the water. You see this white foam? You see how gooey it is, look. That means from there on, you could choose the level of how thick you want your hair, how hard you want your hair. But I believe this is a good level. Once it's like that, it's a good sign that it's already done. I will leave it, I will leave it like this, and now I'll show you the next step. So this is what you do next. You just filter. Make sure you filter right away. It has to be right away, because if you don't do it right away, it could be too thick after it cools down, and then like right now, look, I waited a little bit because of the video. Now it's hard to go down. I did it right before the video and it went through right away. You have to make sure you do it before, like as soon as you take it out. As soon as you turn the stove off, make sure you do it. Look at the gel, look. That's really important, the step that I'm telling you. As soon as it comes off, make sure you put it. Now, this is gonna be really hard to go down. And I don't want to add water. But if this happens, you could definitely add a little bit of water, which is, use that a little bit of water on top. You see the water doesn't go through because it's still here. And you start moving it before. Now you see they coming, more coming down. Now you're gonna grab cayenne pepper. Make sure you do when it's warm. How much you should put? In reality, you should start with like 4 of these. And you wait, so you do every step I'm about to show you. I put a lot because my scalp's already used to it. Tea tree oil. You put like 3 of these. My peppermint bottle I think is empty. So I'm just gonna open this clip right here to take whatever's in there. But you should put like 15 drops, 10 to 15 drops. If you buy it like this. I'm not talking about a full drop. I'm talking about like 1 drop, 2 drops. So make sure you buy that comes in a dropper because it's too strong. And you're gonna mix it. Mix it really well. Now you're gonna wait till it cools down, and once it cools down, you're gonna get a bottle like this, empty. Make sure you could buy it empty in Amazon, 16 ounce, and you just pour it in. It's important. I think it's even better if you buy this here that is a little more open, because once it cools down, it's a little harder to put in. But I don't want to put it hot because this is plastic, and I don't want no plastic in myself, which is not good. So that's something you should think about. So yeah, this is how you do the hair gel. Make sure you only use it for about 2 to 3 weeks. Once you open it and you see that it starts to smell kind of funny, you already know that it's time to do it again. It's really important because this is natural. You're not using all those chemicals they're putting on you in your hair. And all those shampoos and everything that you're using for your hair, if it smells strong, make sure you don't use it, because that strong smell, that strong odor, it comes, even though it smells good, it comes from chemicals, which it will make your hair weaken. And you don't want that in your hair. And you could do this as often as you want. You could use it every day. After you shower, wait till your hair is dry, completely dry. You wait for it, you don't have to dry it yourself. Wait till it's dry. You could use a brush that has those little balls on the bottom and massage your head, or you massage yourself, and then you grab the gel, and you put it in your hair, and you're gonna see how beautiful your hair is gonna turn out. God bless. Share this message. If you go to presenceofeden.com, you're gonna see the same exact video, but with the description, everything how you have to do it step by step, written down, and the video. So don't forget to go to presenceofeden.com, and God bless.